Now, talking about loans. So, what are term loans? And we are going to see how all you can source money for your company. So, loan means loan. It is going to be the amount which you receive from any financial institution or any person in particular, which is repayable after a definite period of time. So, either after a period of time you will be paying your loan, or during the period itself you will be paying it as equated monthly installment. It is called as your EMI. So loans, we can classify them into short-term loan and long-term loan. So short-term loan means you can take up to 1 year. So it is for immediate requirement of money. You can take short-term loan up to 1 year, and long-term loan can range from 5 years to 10 or 15 years. So long-term loan, definitely you will have a larger duration to pay compared to short-term loan. You have to pay within 1 year. The company is small enterprise, you can go for short-term loan. If the company which you are going to establish a law is a large enterprise, you are definitely advised to go for long-term loan so that you have the repaying capacity of 15 years. So you will not, a large amount of money from your company will not be going out in the form of equated monthly installments. Okay. So short-term loans are used to meet the day-to-day requirements of the company. So daily expenditures you will be having, right? So that you can make use of short-term loans to overcome these day-to-day expenditures. And long-term loans are used for raising your actual company, for creating the fixed assets. Fixed asset can be land and site development. You are purchasing the land permanently. You are constructing a building, civil works you are doing, and you are going to buy the machinery from outside. You are going to install the machinery. You are going to purchase vehicles for your company. You are going to purchase furnitures for the company and other office needs. So all these are going to be coming under long-term loans, and they are going to be fixed assets which are going to be always there with you as a part of the company. And when you are going to expand your company, or when you are going to diversify your company, diversification means you are going to enter different markets. Expansion means you are going to have multiple uh, offices, multiple branches of your office. Okay, so expansion or diversification, if you want to do all these things, you will be definitely going for long-term loans. So long-term loans are advance from customer, and customers are going to pay you in advance. That will come under short-term loan. Public deposit, factoring. Public deposit will come under your shares, discounting of bills, and accrued accounts. So all these are going to be the sources where you are going to finance your short-term loans. And long-term loans, you can go for issue of shares. When your company is a public limited company, you can issue shares, you can issue debentures. We'll be seeing all these technical terms later. Okay, financial institutions like banks, you can go. Cooperative societies, you can go and get your loans. Retention of profits. So when you are having huge amount of profit, one portion of the profit you have it as a capital structure for expanding your company. And finally, public deposits. So these are the areas where you can get long-term loans running from.